At Morristown-Hamblen Healthcare System, we're looking for committed and compassionate physicians who want to be a part of an elite care team.
It became very apparent that it was time to think about retirement and where we wanted to spend it. And East Tennessee just seemed to be the perfect fit for us and to spend our more senior years.
So when we started looking around, it wasn't like we had a list of things that we wanted in a community. It just kind of opened itself up to us. Mary and I did not want to just show up someplace retired someday and not have any kind of connection with the community at all. And we thought, what better way to start? We can work, Mary can go back to school, we can work together, we can extend ourselves in the community and into the church.
Morristown is where it's at for us, and we love it.
Morristown-Hamblen Healthcare System is a part of Covenant Health. Covenant Health is a not-for-profit healthcare system based out of Knoxville, Tennessee. We're very proud of our many centers of excellence that we offer to our 7-county service area. We have a great program in oncology, in cardiology, and internal medicine with 6 hospitalists that staff our hospital 24 hours a day. We also have a wonderful OB program that delivers over 1,000 babies a year, and also a very busy emergency department which sees almost 38,000 visits a year.
Working in a smaller hospital has tremendous advantages. We have a lot more control over what happens to our patients. I meet regularly with our hospital administrators. We have a very good working relationship, whereas in larger systems, you have to make an appointment and you'd never get to see an administrator. Whereas here, I can directly go to his office. He's always willing to talk to me.
Mary and I were tremendously impressed with Covenant's interest in making sure that the patient experience was a good one, that the physicians that they have here have essentially what they need in order to provide high quality care. I haven't ever felt that I wasn't supported or that corners were going to be cut because we weren't downtown. It's been really an exceptional relationship.
Our Morristown Regional Cancer Center is the only cancer program in the area. We have the latest technology with our newest addition, our TrueBeam linear accelerator. We also have brand new PET-CT technology and a wonderful tumor board.
No, I'm very happy here in Morristown. I enjoy the staff that I work with. I enjoy the physicians. And I have the ability to have a very nice life outside of work.
Morristown, Tennessee, I found to be a great community. The community itself is about 23,000. The county is about 58,000, but during the day there are over 100,000 people that come to Morristown on a daily basis. We have private schools, we have 2 public schools, and one of those public schools was actually rated as one of the top 10 high schools in the state by U.S. News and World Report. We also have a number of colleges and universities here, which makes Morristown a great place to work and to live and to receive further education.
And I didn't want to have to worry, can I see my kids out my front window? You know, I want to know that our kids can be told go outdoors and play, and I don't have to worry about that.
My kids have had such a great life here. They've played competitive sports, they've gotten state titles. My daughter dances, she's played volleyball. The rec league is very active. And then academically, both of our boys are a semester ahead of their peers because of the opportunities for AP classes and dual enrollment. And I think they're gonna achieve their goals. They've had that opportunity because the education was great.
They were so welcoming and receptive. From the marketing department really extended themselves, but also the other women in the community. They asked me to play tennis, they asked me to be in a book club, and they asked me to be in a Bible study with them. So really, they figured out what my needs were and my hobbies and my likeness, and people came out of the woodwork to invite me to do things.
Morristown, geographically, is very well located. We're actually the midpoint between Knoxville and the Tri-Cities. Asheville is only about 90 minutes. Johnson City is an hour. Knoxville is an hour. Nashville is about 3 hours. And also Atlanta is about 3.5 hours. So we're very well positioned for that weekend getaway or for easy traveling.
I will watch out the window, and if it starts snowing, I will be texting Patty, get the ski gear out, and I will see my last patient. We will get home, we will bundle up, get in the car, drive to the slopes, and get to the slopes within an hour and be skiing, and then drive home and get back here at 2 a.m. and do it all again tomorrow if it continues to snow. If you are truly looking for balance, because that's the one thing I think physicians don't have in their life is balance. If you're truly looking for balance, once again, this is that place.
Obviously, the trails have welcomed us. I can pick up Ziggy, our standard poodle, and be here in 10 minutes and take a 2-mile jog around the trails and still be back home within an hour. So it's perfect for us.
My wife and I and my family, we raised them all to love the outdoors, and we just love hiking. We've done a lot of backpacking in the area, and especially the Cumberland Gap area is beautiful. There's a beautiful ridge trail up there. You've got a beautiful view of Mount Rogers. There are the ponies in Southwest Virginia, where you can see wild ponies. And then certainly you have the Smoky Mountains, and there are incredible hikes in the Smoky Mountains. My wife and I, we go backpacking and hiking up there routinely. You have Roan Mountain, which is right there just near Johnson City, which is actually rated #1 on the Appalachian Trail by the hikers as the most beautiful spot. So within this area, within a short distance, you can hike and explore some of the most beautiful areas of the country.
Regardless of the kind of lifestyle that you're looking for, whether you want a single-family home on some land or you'd like to live in a downtown loft, Morristown offers things for every lifestyle. Also, being that we're in the state of Tennessee, we have no income tax, and the property taxes are very reasonable in Morristown as well.
So people ask me, would you do it again? And my answer to that is yes, because I don't know where else I would go that I would have had the same experience.
Yeah.
There's so much here in this little small town, and who would have thought it? But no, there hasn't been one time where we've looked at each other and said, why did we do this? We wish we had done it sooner.